Guys, I am going to one of the event, that is unconference event happening in Delhi this November 8th November 2025 at Radisson Hotel. So what exactly this event is about, let me just tell you, and what is my role, what am I doing in this particular event, why I am going. So, what exactly is this event for, and who can join this? So, basically, it is for data analytics people who can share their knowledge amongst the people who are joining. So this is at Delhi, of course, and this is the first time Measure Camp is coming to India. So yes, we are volunteering. I am also volunteering, and my role is more about social media content and posting. So I am into this particular thing, and others, of course, our team members are also working so hard in the process of what we can do better and how we can do better. So in the content part, I am into social media content part, and I am going because of course I am also the part of this volunteering. And yes, I will be sharing the video of the conference, but I will be very happy to see you guys at the conference. That's unconference, so sorry for that, it's unconference. So basically, what is a conference and what is unconference? So far I understood that conference means a one speaker or set of speaker that is fixed, and they are talking about this particular topic or whatever they want to pitch about. But in unconference, it's like anyone can join, anyone can become the speaker. If they have any topic, they can rush to the session board and just take out all the sessions, and they can speak about their particular product or service or data analytics related any topic. They can ask question, they can speak about that particular thing. So it is unconference, like there is no specific rules and regulations, there are nothing like any set of things that you need to do in such a way. But this is unconference where you can also be a speaker. If you have strong point, you have to talk about something, you are innovating something, you want people to join about it. The topics can be diverse, so that's why our tagline is unity in diversity for India. So Measure Camp has been in other countries as well. So they have been doing this unconference from so many years in different countries, but this is the first time that is happening in India. So that is why I am adding this strong point as a first time happening in India with Measure Camp. So yeah, that is why we are very excited, and we are working day and night as much as possible to make this happen the best one. Also, you can go through our Measure Camp LinkedIn page, where you will get all the updates about what is going to happen, what exactly we are doing, and you can go through our registration page link. Register yourself if you are coming to New Delhi. So yeah, I will be adding the registration link in the description. You can register yourself, and you just let me know if you are coming from my video. Just tag me if you have registered, and you are excited to come to this first on unconference of Measure Camp in India, because this will be the hit, and we are very excited. Our team members are very excited. Volunteers are very excited to join this particular unconference. So yeah, see you guys. Just let me know, or you can comment down that you have registered, or you can just message me on Instagram, or on LinkedIn if you have already registered it. So, in the Measure Camp, if you want to be a speaker, be prepared with your topic and start talking about your topic. And see you guys at the Measure Camp. Bye bye.